Have you ever wondered why the Zambia Revenue Authority is always asking you to take your receipt every time you go shopping? Or have you looked at your receipt and wondered why there's a VAT charge on it? Well, value-added tax is a tax charged on goods and services at every stage of production, distribution, and sale. And although businesses account and collect VAT, the actual tax charge is ultimately borne by you, the final consumer. VAT is important because the revenue collected actually helps the government fund public services, such as healthcare, education, infrastructure, and security of the nation and its citizens. VAT works in two ways. There's output VAT and input VAT. So output VAT is the VAT that is charged by businesses on goods or services sold to its customers. Input VAT is the VAT paid on purchases for use in the business. So, if VAT that is charged on goods sold to customers is higher than the VAT that is paid on purchases, the net result is that the business has to pay tax to the Zambia Revenue Authority. On the other hand, if the input VAT that is paid on purchases is higher than the VAT charged on sales, the net effect is that the business may be liable for a VAT refund. However, this is subject to verification and approval by the Zambia Revenue Authority. Businesses registered for either income tax or turnover tax must register for VAT provided that they are dealing in taxable supplies and have an annual turnover of 800,000 kwacha and above. However, businesses with an annual turnover of 800,000 and below may register for voluntary VAT. In order for a business to register for VAT, they need to supply, number one, a business plan, number two, their latest financial statements or cash flow projections for the next 12 months, and finally, a bank statement with at least 3 months. VAT registration is important for businesses because it enables businesses to claim back the input VAT that they have paid. However, businesses must note that they can only claim the input VAT on an invoice that has been generated through the Smart Invoice system. Support government revenue collection and national development. Tenga receipt yako.